Heuchera champagne, frequently asked questions. Hi there, Furbu here. Today, we're diving into the world of Heuchera champagne, a captivating perennial renowned for its dazzling foliage and easygoing nature. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a curious newcomer, this FAQ aims to answer all your burning questions about this delightful plant. What is Heuchera champagne? Heuchera champagne, also known as coral bell champagne, is a stunning perennial prized for its vibrant foliage. It boasts a clump-forming growth habit, creating a mounded effect in your garden beds. The crown jewel of this Heuchera is its captivating leaves. They emerge a soft golden red, maturing to a rich, coppery hue with prominent veining. This beauty isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's surprisingly low maintenance. Heuchera champagne thrives in various light conditions, from dappled shade to full sun, with consistent moisture in hot climates. It's also semi-evergreen, retaining much of its colorful foliage throughout winter in milder climates. How to care for Heuchera champagne? Planting your Heuchera champagne is a breeze. Choose a location with well-draining soil, ideally enriched with organic matter. Dig a hole slightly larger than the plant's root ball and gently amend the surrounding soil with compost or aged manure. Water thoroughly after planting and keep the soil consistently moist, but not soggy, throughout the growing season. Heuchera champagne is a remarkably resilient plant. It tolerates a wide range of soil types, from clay to sandy loam, and even withstands moderate salt exposure. While generally pest and disease-resistant, occasional yellowing leaves can be removed for aesthetics. Here's a quick cheat sheet for Heuchera champagne care. Light, full sun to partial shade, with consistent moisture in full sun. Soil, well-draining, organically rich. Watering, keeps soil moist, but not soggy. Fertilizer, light feeding with balanced fertilizer in spring is optional. Does Heuchera champagne flower? Yes. Heuchera champagne produces delicate white flowers on slender stalks in late spring or early summer. While the foliage is the true showstopper, the airy blooms add a touch of elegance and attract pollinators like butterflies and bees. If you prefer a tidier look, feel free to deadhead the flowers after they fade. This encourages the plant to focus its energy on maintaining its vibrant foliage. How big does Heuchera champagne get? Heuchera champagne matures to a compact size, typically reaching 12 to 24 inches in height and width. This makes it a versatile addition to your garden, perfect for borders, edging walkways, or even container plantings. Its mounding habit and manageable size also make it a great choice for smaller gardens or filling in gaps in larger beds. Can Heuchera champagne be grown indoors? While Heuchera champagne prefers the outdoors, it can be grown indoors with a bit of extra care. Ensure it receives sufficient indirect sunlight, ideally near a south-facing window. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry, and maintain good air circulation to prevent fungal diseases. However, keep in mind that Heuchera champagne thrives best outdoors. If you choose to grow it indoors, be prepared to provide the necessary conditions and be aware that its growth may be less vigorous compared to outdoor planting. What are some companion plants for Heuchera champagne? Heuchera champagne's vibrant foliage pairs beautifully with a variety of plants, creating stunning textural and color contrasts in your garden. Here are some ideas. Hostas. Their lush green foliage provides a cool backdrop for Heuchera champagne's fiery hues. Ferns. Delicate ferns add a touch of elegance and complement the texture of Heuchera champagne's leaves. Hakanekloa macra, Japanese forest grass. The graceful, cascading foliage of Hakanekloa creates a dynamic contrast with Heuchera champagne's mounding form. Spring bulbs. Early blooming bulbs like daffodils or tulips add a burst of color before Heuchera champagne reaches its peak in summer. These are just a few suggestions. Experiment and find what combinations work best in your garden and personal style. Heuchera champagne versus other coral bells varieties. There are numerous coral bells varieties available, each boasting unique foliage colors and textures. Here's a quick comparison of Heuchera champagne with two popular options. Heuchera obsidian. Renowned for its dramatic, near-black foliage, Heuchera obsidian creates a bold statement in the garden. It thrives in similar conditions as Heuchera champagne, but may require slightly more shade in hot climates. Heuchera dolce lime. This variety offers a vibrant contrast to Heuchera champagne. Its chartreuse lime-colored leaves add a burst of sunshine to shady areas. Heuchera dolce lime prefers similar care conditions but may benefit from additional moisture, especially during hot spells. Ultimately, the best choice for your garden depends on your desired aesthetic and planting conditions. Heuchera champagne offers a beautiful balance of color and resilience, making it a fantastic addition to various garden styles. Where can I buy Heuchera champagne? Heuchera champagne is widely available at local nurseries, garden centers, and online retailers specializing in perennials. Look for healthy plants with vibrant foliage and a sturdy root system. When purchasing online, ensure the retailer has a good reputation and offers proper packaging to prevent damage during shipping. Conclusion: Heuchera champagne is a captivating perennial that injects a burst of color and texture into your garden. Its easygoing nature and stunning foliage make it a perfect choice for gardeners of all experience levels. With proper care, this delightful plant will grace your garden for years to come. So, are you ready to add Heuchera champagne to your plant family? With its versatility, easy care, and captivating beauty, it's sure to become a cherished member of your garden oasis.